Hi everyone, welcome to the fourth video on how to use netconf protocol inside Python code for interacting with network devices. In the previous video we have seen how to get complete configuration in an XML format from the device using netconf. This is the script which we used. Once we execute it, we'll be able to see the complete configuration in XML format. Since I'm not using any Python library for making it in a proper XML structured way, I'll be using an online tool for formatting it. In the upcoming videos I'll show how to use a built-in Python library for making it in a proper format in terminal itself. Now I already have the complete configuration available here. So here in this video we'll be filtering hostname, how to filter a particular part of the configuration. So I'll be showing hostname and interface details in this video. So as you can see here, hostname is under native. So first what we need to do is we'll create a variable called filter here. So I'll copy previous code. I'll rename this to 04 filter hostname. Yeah. Now in this code I'll create a filter equals and I'll create a filter here. And inside that we need to give what needs to be filtered. Filter will be ending there. Yeah. Now we'll go and see the XML response. Yeah, it will be under native. So I'll copy this native, put it here. Then under that we need to filter the host name. So I'll copy this, put it here. So I'll remove the current host name because I'm just going to do a filter and get the actual data from the device. Now this native needs to be closed here. Here this the line indentation doesn't matter, it just needs to be in a proper XML format, that's all. Now inside print with running configuration I'll be adding this filter as well. Yeah. Now let's try running the script. Yeah, you can see it is given the host name in the filter. Okay, now if you want to make it as a single line, it doesn't matter, it will work. So line and indentation doesn't matter inside XML. Now let's run it again. You can see still I am getting the response, the filtered response. Now if you want to format it properly, what we can do is we can come here, give this value here, format, and copy and paste it here. Now let's run it again. Yeah, I'm getting the output in an XML format. So now we'll see how to filter interface configuration. So for that I'll create a copy of this, 05 filter interface. Yeah, now we'll go to complete configuration and see where the interface configuration is placed. So if we come down here, we can see interfaces. It is under native. So what we can do here, we can just replace this host name with this interface. I'll give interface here. Interface, and here also I'll give interface. Now let's try running the script. Yeah, we can see here this has given complete interface configuration. Okay, I'll put it here, and you can see the details what it shared. This has given all the three interfaces available in the device. Now if you want to filter a particular interface, you can again add filter here. And inside that I'll give the name of the interface. I'll copy the name from here. So this will print the details of Gigabit Ethernet 1 interface. Let's try running the script. Yeah, you can see the details of Gigabit Ethernet 1 interface. Similar way you will be able to filter for any interface. In the next video we'll see how to change the host name or configure an interface. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.